Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and using the 28-inch smokeless fire pit from Vevor. What's up guys? I just got the Vevor Smokeless fire pit, so let's get into it. So here I am unboxing this 28-inch smokeless fire pit. It's a really big box. The first thing I see is the poker stick right on the top of the foam. I'll just take it out of the wrapper and set it onto the side so I can continue unboxing the fire pit itself. The packaging inside of this box is done really well. This foam really keeps that fire pit secured in the center. Now I am strong enough to lift this box, but there are probably a lot of people who are not. But thankfully, because of the styrofoam packaging, you kind of can just roll it gently instead of lifting it. Inside of the fire pit, you will find the booklet of directions and information for using this fire pit. On the front of the booklet, you'll see the model number that includes other models for smaller sizes. I'll show you more of the booklet later on in the video. Let's get right back to unpackaging this fire pit. On the front of the fire pit, you'll find the ash drawer. You'll need to pull out the ash drawer to remove the rest of the packaging as well as the other parts that are taped to the inside of that drawer. These parts are going to be used to keep the fire pit elevated off of the ground. You'll find 3 feet that you'll need to screw into the bottom and 1 ashtray that you'll put into the center of the fire pit. Now that everything is back together, I'm going to turn the fire pit onto its side and screw in 3 of these feet that I just unwrapped. Then I'm going to place the fire pit back onto the ground and light a fire, and we're going to really test and see how well this fire pit does. So stick around. So I started off a fire using some lumber and some paper. Just so you know, in the beginning you will see some visible smoke. But once you get the fire really hot and below the rim, there will be practically no smoke coming out of this fire pit. So the rest of the video, I want you guys to experience me using this fire pit and for you to notice for yourself that it is practically smokeless. But do pay attention, when the flames are above the rim, you're going to get some smoke. But if you'd like for it to be completely smokeless, just make sure you have your fire lower than the rim. And here it is guys, in the beginning, just like I said, I'll show you another clip of the Vevor booklet. This fire pit comes in a number of sizes, including the 15-inch, 16-inch, 20-inch, and the one I have here, the 28-inch. If you need technical support, you can visit vevor.com/support, found inside of the booklet. Here you'll see the flame is now lowered, emitting plenty of heat for me to feel comfortable around the fire pit, emitting 0 smoke. Unlike most fire pits where you're sitting around the fire pit and the wind changes direction and blows the smoke directly in your face, I would much rather have a smokeless fire pit than an ordinary fire pit. They come in different sizes to fit any application. They're very inexpensive, and they have a sleek look. They really do fit into any environment. Well guys, this is the Vevor Smokeless Fire Pit. It works flawlessly. It just has to heat up a little bit. You can see here, very minimum smoke. You can roast your marshmallows over top of this, no problem. Definitely grab yourself one. The affiliate link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.